And hello guys, today we are playing Fire Planes, but in 15 minutes. So let's begin this game, shall we? So today we're playing Fire Planes. So today we're going to today we're on a plane and we're going to set the fire out. So let's begin this game, shall we? Let's see. Okay guys, so this is my skin. So let's begin the step, shall we? So let's see. Okay guys, here's what I do guys. First thing, you will just put out the fire. So I will put the water first. So make sure like and subscribe to YouTube like if you play this game before. Oh yeah, this game is new actually. Guys, listen, this game is new and then it's, looks like planes from the movie. Yeah, the movie called The Planes. It looks like a movie, trust me guys. So make sure like and subscribe to YouTube guys to play this game because this game is new. So let's go. Okay guys, let's see our first job. Oh no, look at this fire. Don't worry, I got you. What? Wow, releasing fire. Oh. Okay, first thing, here's my plan. Okay, let's not waste that one. Okay guys, I'm logging in. Well guys, make sure like and subscribe to YouTube vlogs for my fire videos. Oh no, I'm lag. Do not lag. What, find me boss? I'm so laggy here. Okay, I see out of water. Let's go. I got it! It was water! Oh yeah, this is water. That's weird, why it's not loading? Okay. Yes, okay guys, that's enough. Let's go. Just go fly low. Just like a fast matter. Let's go. Okay, we're gonna let the fire out. Oh no, what is this? My controls. Okay, this is down and up. Bro, thank you. Bro, I'm not thank you with you, bro. There we go. That's better. Good job, guys. Do you done it? Oh, there's more. Guys, there's more. We're going to be heroes. Let's go. Hold on, guys. My charge just dropped. Let's go. Down. And fire. There you go. Whoa. Okay, guys, I'm out of water. Good luck, boys. Come on, need more water. Come on, need more water. We have only plenty of trees left to go before we're going to die. Before it's going to die. Look at the trees. They're dead because of the fire. That was crazy. Let's go. I got 52. Anyways, let's do this game. Okay, let's go to realistic. Let's see what we can play. Realistic, mega fire, or dump defense. I'll just choose realistic. Because I want realistic. No. Anyways, I can't see. I need to fire down. Okay, guys. Oh, guys, I'm lag. Guys, I'm lag. Guys, I'm lagging. Anyway, school is 1 week down. Yeah. Oh, wait, what? Anyways, let's get this fire out. Okay. Okay, first thing is a fire spread, so let's hurry before it's gonna spread. There we go. Now we need water. Before this little neighborhood has been burned down. Let's get some water. This is the perfect one. Let's go for the scoop. Let's get for the scoop. Okay, yeah, that's okay. That's perfect. Trust me, guys. Anyways, let's go here. Okay, guys, good job, planes. Whoa! Maybe here, before this little town here, this little neighborhood will be burned down into, yeah, it will be burned. Let's go. Oh God, look at the fire. It's bad. Trust me, guys, it's really bad. So let's get this water in motion. Don't worry, citizens, I will save you. DJ has come into the town. Let's go. Well, I'm so good at the job now. Guys, okay, guys. Sorry, I died. Okay, at least just the water. Good job, bro. Good job. Bro, look at that. It's almost going to burn. I swear, if we didn't notice that, well, they burned. Luckily. Okay, we got 2 fires left. So let's go. Oh no! Okay. Go fire out. Good job, let's go, guys. Bro, nah, bro. We got house save. Let's go. We saved 112. Let's do mega fire. Let's do mega fire. Wait, is that fire? Oh, it's just the neighborhood. My neighborhood. Thank you. Okay, guys, mega fire. Extinguish one huge fire. That's huge. Anyways, let's begin this game, shall we? So make sure like and subscribe to DJ Vlogs for more fire planes like this. Anyways, let's go down. Oh guys, I thought I died. Anyways, let's go here. Come on, hurry, okay. Let's get this fire out, so let's go down. Down. That's too much, bro. That's too much. I'm really lagging. Trust me, guys. I'm really lagging. First things first, I'm really lagging in this. I thought I was on. Anyways, this is the the first one, and this is the second one. I am not second one. So let's go. Okay. Oh no, look at the little fire. Okay. Goodbye, fire. I'm sorry, but you're dead. Actually, I think I did a good job. That's my fault. Wow, congratulations. Okay. That's a good job. Good job. That's a good job. I'm lagging. Oh, I'm lagging. Trust me. Let's go down for speed. There's only 2 left. Let's go. There's 1 left, bro, for you. Okay, let's go. Right? Wow, bro, that's many. Bro, I got, 62. Anyways, let's do the mega fire. Bro, that was fast, by the way. Anyways, make sure like and subscribe to DJ Vlogs for more videos like this. Yes. So let's just continue. Mega fire again. Anyways, that's okay. Don't worry, first things first, I'll go to the river and then get a scoop on it and get the fire out. That's all. What about add cars? Because it's only 2 left. Oh yeah, since this game is new, that's why. So it's a big new game. There's, figure about, wait. Oh. I died about that. Anyways, let's just, go down. I could turn. First things first, I need some water so I could burn down. Yes, before this tree will burn and then the world will be Oh no, I don't have time! What? This is almost there! What? Guys, hold up. Okay, I'll send the call. Come on. No, that's cool, trust me. That's cool. Whoa, that's cool, guys. Fast, guys. Go down. Woo, cool. Let's go. Go on. Let's go get this ring of fire. Look at the fire, by the way. This is worse than I thought. Imagine if it's real. What can you do? Run? Yeah, how would you run? Tinko. Good job, Tinko. Let's get this fire out. Bro, get the fire out. Trust me. Come on. Over. Let's go. Perfect. This is perfect, guys. Okay, now I need to go onto this fire. I'm lagging here. Good job, let's go. Good job, Tanko. Thank you, Tanko. Pronounce thank you. Or it's Tanko. I call him Tanko. Anyways, let's go. Let's find a river so we will get this fire out. Look at this. They're getting a good job. Okay, this is the big split. This is the only river we had. What is the river? Look, there's another river. Oh, this is another river. And now dive. Come on, dive. Okay, that's perfect. Now let's really actually here. Oh no, another end. Oh, oh my god, it's almost. No. Whoa, that's cool. Anyways, let's go. I think it'll be mission done, so come on. Hurry up. Put the fire up. Okay, it's only one left. So this guy will fire out. Trust me, guys. So guys, we did a good job, guys. Trust me. Yeah, that's done. How do we do it? That's better. Let's go, bro. Got 63. Anyways, let's restart again. Let's go to Mega Fire. Anyways, so make sure like and subscribe to DJ Vlogs for more fireplace like this. Okay guys, that's round this Mega Fire, bro. Oh. Anyways, I'm lagging, bro. What does this look like? By the way, guys, I'm loading. It's loading. Okay, guys, let's go. Okay, let's go. Get this fire. This is peaceful actually. This game is peaceful. Controllers are top. And no token. That's good. Hopefully he doesn't want to be like you. And also, this is for kids. Yes. Maybe. Yes, this game is cool. Possibly, guys. here. Stop saying that work. So, anyways, let's go. Hey, little fire here. We need something. You do it. Oh! I died. Bro, the fire died and I died too. For real? For real? Burning the tree. Anyways, I need new jumps here. Come on. I got this enough, bro. And go. Oh no! I'm lagging. You know what? I'm lagging. Oh no, 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 no. I'm lagging. Trust me guys, I'm so lagging. Bro, listen, I am lagging so hard that even I get crashed under the game lags it. So what? Oh. Whoa, that's almost there, guys. Uh-oh. I think I'm stalling. This is stalling in the screen there. Cool, let's go, guys. Okay, guys, this is awesome. Okay, guys, whoa, this is cool, trust me. Good move, partner. Okay, I put in sorry, out that one is there. So I can do it. Let's go! Let's go, guys! Let's go, guys! Okay, guys! Since the game has ended, the fire has been extinguished. So let's end here, shall we? And thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to DJ Vlogs. So goodbye, stay sweet, bye. Anyways, I'm just going to protect the sounds. Okay, guys. Don't worry, I'll protect the town. Anyways, I'm destroying the house. Ouch. Yep, that really hurt. So goodbye, guys. Anyways, let me put this fire out. Uh-oh, not again. Ow. Oh, guys, at least we tried. So goodbye, guys.